Hello everyone, this is Tammy. Today I have a real simple video on a mini book construction. So you could take these sizes and change them any way you want if you want to make a smaller or large one. But this is really simple. I don't have it completed yet, which I will show you it completed. What I did is, this is my sample. I have cut my paper 6 by 9 and scored on the 9-inch side 4.5. Okay, and those are my pages. Now for my first page, after I scored it, what I did, I laid it on my cutter and I cut it going this way, just to the score line at the 4.5, 3.5, and 1.5 mark. So that made 4 little cuts like this, and these are going to be pockets. And it can go either way. I can fold it this way or this way. I will show you in my sample what I did. I actually had it going this way. Okay, this is what I did to make my pockets. I covered each of them with pattern paper, and what I did, except for the bottom one, is make the pattern paper a little bit longer than the pocket so I could glue this down and things would fit really nice in the pocket. Now I did put a hinge on here. It's just a hinge the size 6 inches by 2 1/4, and then I gave it a 2 1/4 gusset. You can do this either way. You can you don't have to put the hinges on, and then you can just put your holes in it, put rings in it, or use your cinch or whatever. So now how I would finish this, this is the fold. I would just run a wet glue. I would use my Scotch, and I would just run a bead right down here and connect each of the pockets. So then I would have 3 pockets. Well, actually 4, because I could put something up here too. So I would actually have 4 pockets. So that's one of the pages, made from just this 6 by 9. I'll show you some more pages that I have. Now this is my second page, and I just made a simple pocket on this one. After I scored it, I just cut it with my cutter on the 2.5 inch, and then I just cut this piece out. And let's see, here's how my page turned out. So I just put pattern paper in the background, and again I did apply a hinge, and there's my pocket. Now on this pocket, like my other one, I forgot to say, on the bottom you do have to run a bead of the quick dry glue too, and alongside here, just for the bottom pocket on my other one, and this is just a single pocket. So that's how that page come out. Let me show you another page. Now on this page, I just folded it like at the beginning, and then I cut 1.5 inches off it, and it looks like this. Now what I did is I would attach this with my quick dry glue so that I would have a pocket here and a pocket here. I would also have to glue the top and bottom. Now I'll show you my sample. I did cover it in pattern paper first, and here's my paper. Now when you attach the hinge, let me show you. You want to just attach it. I attached it before I even applied it to the before I ever glued it down. So it's applied here, and you don't even see it once your pattern paper is over it. So I did glue that down. I have to glue it here and here, and those are 3 pockets, or 2 pockets I should say. So that's another page just made with a 6 by 9. Now I'll show you another page. This one again was cut 6 by 9 and scored at 4.5. Then what I did is I just made a diagonal pocket on half the page there. So this would be, one side of your page, this would be the other. I attached the hinge to this side. You can also attach it to this side. You'll just have to cut your hinge a little bit. So here's my sample, and Then all you really have to do is apply your glue here to form that pocket. And I put the hinge, I formed it, or I put it on this side so that I didn't have to cut my tag down. Now, on the other side of each of the pages, I thought I love to make little pocket inserts and all kinds of things. So I started one. I mean, it gives you, you have it flat for just a picture or whatever, but I've already started. I have to put all kinds of stuff. I have to fill them as much as I can. I decorated this. I started, like I said, I'll show you the finished one. I just put some paper on there and did it this way. So, like I said, I'm going to put mine together with the hinges and bind it. And I just did this out of a really nice paper. It's the best of, it's by K & Company, the best of Brenda Walton, I think. It has some really cute designs in it, and I thought it was kind of girly. I need to make this for a girl, little girl. So I'll finish up the back of those other pages and add all my little pocket things that I want to add to it, and I'll show you the finished. Well, thanks for watching.